I saw a log ride on YouTube that I wanted to go on. It's in Oregon, so that's where we're going today. 4 adults, got our rooms for the night, going to this amusement park. Didn't know anything about it, and found out it's for kids. Oh well, we're gonna have fun anyway. Side trip! We went to the outlet mall in Oregon. We have made it to the Best Western Plus in Mill Creek. And a new experience. They don't have an in-house kitchen. So in the morning, we gotta go across the street to Denny's for breakfast. Home sweet home for the next 24 hours. Well, not even that really. It's we got 10 hours in this room. Yeah, nothing spectacular, but you know, it works. It works, and our friends are right across the hall. Oregon. Mill Creek, is that where it said? Yeah, we're in Mill Creek, Oregon, real close to Salem. This is our swimming pool that we get to play in. Doesn't that look like fun?
We're gonna watch these two do water ballet. We're at the Best Western Plus. I don't remember what it's called. First swimming of the day. She wants me to narrate, but I have no idea what to say. Guess she should have given me notes. I just got out of the jacuzzi over here. All right, here we go. What are you guys gonna do? Come on. There we go. Look at how graceful they are. There's another one in our party, but he's taking a nap. Look at that. It's daylight outside. He could be down here having fun in the pool with the rest of us, but no, he's sleeping. One found their way over into the other pool.
We are at the Flight Deck Restaurant and Lounge in Salem, Oregon. Looking out at some pretty cool looking airplanes. We are back in our room after waiting for our dinner for an hour and a half at that restaurant. And then let's see, their order got messed up. My chicken was hard. What else? I don't know, it just wasn't really worth an hour and a half wait. No, it sure wasn't. After a horrible breakfast at Denny's, we're now at a park. We'll talk about breakfast later. We're here to see a giant globe. And that apparently is the Willamette River. And we're at the Riverfront Park.
So 123 and some change was the receipt for.
Huh. Have you guys been to the Goonies jail? No?
Goonies jail?
Yeah, the Goonies jail in Astoria. He's taking pictures of me being too scared to go over on the bridge. And our friends are already halfway across. Ain't that a cool bridge though? That's really cool. I like it. Well, doesn't that look like fun? We are here 15 minutes after it opened, and oh my god, the line is huge already. It's quite the line. 4 adults.
Okay, right?
At a kiddie park. Woohoo! Okay, I'm not gonna film no more. If you want to see it, you have to come here. Well, this has been fun so far. Now we're gonna do a haunted house. I don't know if you can see the house. We're in a 30-minute line to ride the Ice Mountain Bobsleds. We are next. Here comes our car. Woo! Here we go. End of the line! End of the line. Now we're in an hour-long line to ride the big timber log ride, and look at that drop. This is going to be fun. 20 more minutes and we'll be able to get on our log ride. Here they come for the big drop, and I don't get to film it from inside the car because look at that splash. I don't want my camera getting all wet. What do you got?
Yeah. It is.
I wonder if we could catch up with John and Kathy. Woohoo! Woo! Right behind you! Woohoo! Oh, first drop coming up. This one looks so good at our house. This old western look.
That'd be awesome. The grub shack. Let me out. I want to eat.
You ready?
Well, we're up here quite a ways, aren't we?
Here we go. Woo! There's somebody sitting up there.
Yeah.
My foot is completely soaked. Oh, it's almost over, I bet. So that's like a big drop right there, ain't it?
I don't know.
Ain't much of a ride then, darn it.
The poor guy's got to stay awake sitting up there.
Yeah, it's a very quick ride.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's right.
Woo!
Oh!
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
That wasn't terrible.
That was terrible.
What'd you think?
I'm wet.
We're wet.
We are done and we are now eating our lunch. And I got to wondering, are we getting weird looks because it's 4 old people at a kid-themed park having fun without no kids? He's over there eating blackberries.
4 big kids.
4 big kids. Our last and bestest meal in Centralia at the Country Cousin. I love this restaurant. What a great way to end the trip. We are back and look at this. It's all foggy. Boy, did we luck out. It was supposed to rain in Oregon over the weekend, but it did not. Actually, the sun came out, so we got really lucky. It was a good trip. First time ever traveling together as a group. I think we did great together. We did a lot of side quests. It was a lot of fun, and I'm so glad that we went. So hey, it's Cherie. Thank you for joining me in my little world. And you might want to hit subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, share, all that fun stuff, because the pool comes down this week. We have 2 more days of 80-degree weather, and then everything drops into the 70s, so it's time to put the pool away. We are getting a cover built over the back of our house this week. I'm so excited about that. We still have a garden fence to finish over here. And now that the temperature is dropping, we're going to have to start moving some plants around, and we have a whole lot of plants to get in the ground. A lot more videos coming of things we're doing around this property to make it work better, look better, all that fun stuff. So hey, I will talk to you again soon. Thanks so much for watching.